Hey guys, before we go ahead and take the tour of this camp, I just wanted to tell you about a giveaway that we have going on. So every year we do a spring giveaway, give some cool things, camping rugs, barbecues, things like that. And it's that time of year again. So we're doing a giveaway. So be sure to check the description of this video, see how you can get entered to win some of that stuff. Everyone says we should give a camp away. That might be a possibility down the road. So anyways, be sure to check the description, see how you can get entered, and let's get you some free stuff.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here at Peak Mountain Camps, and we've got another camp to take you on a tour of. So anyways, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the exterior of this one. Not a whole lot of changes out here. They do have the pull-out camp chef, some things that way. Probably the biggest thing that they've added would be the electric awning. I can show you the switches of how it kind of comes in and out, everything that way. But we're gonna go in and take a look at what they've got going on in the interior in this one. What do you think so far? Pretty nice, huh? So this one, we'll just start up here in the closet. This one's actually got a cedar lined closet. Lots of space in here. Big double closet, and as always, soft close hinges, all hardwood doors. And then we have our big drawers down below that seem to be really popular. People seem to like this big closet setup with the drawers. Our stainless fridge freezer. This one's just got the protective wrap on it still. And then our stainless microwave convectional oven. More drawers. And these are also super deep drawers. So you should be able to fit lots of goodies in all of that. And then a little counter space here. All of your switches, your inverter. I'll actually be doing a video on this one to kind of explain a little bit how I wired the inverters and how they work. And then you have your water heater switch, your heated tanks. So those are for the electric heating elements on your waste tanks. So you have heaters for both your black and your gray tank, and then a heater for your pipes coming out. Then your monitoring system. Propane gas light. Your overhead storage. These are on gas struts, so they hold open. And then they're on soft close hinges too. So, and then it does have the stereo set up in it. All your rosewood trim on your ceiling. And then the fold down dinette. So this will fold down and make into a bed to where you can sleep someone pretty comfortably there. Lots of windows in this one to give you a lot of natural light. And then it does have the reclining sofa, or the recliners. This one doesn't have the middle console, and these will lay down pretty well flat to where you could sleep someone on there as well. Headboard, speaker cabinet. This does have the fantastic fan in it, as well as an air conditioner. And then has some storage there at the footboard as well. More drawers here with this custom engraving. All of our camps, we offer custom engravings, and you can get pretty much whatever you want. We can do the doors. We can do like this one. This one's just a decorative piece. not an actual door, but we can do anything that way. And then you have more drawers here in this chest of drawers. Their TV will be set up on the top of it. And then you got the wood stove going. This one's getting ready to ship out tomorrow, so I'm just doing some final touches on it. Burning the stove, making sure I get everything burned off of it. Lots of overhead storage, your exhaust fan, as well as a light above your stainless steel range. And then this one has 3 pull-out pantries in it. So we have a small one here. And then there's 2 on this side. So I don't know, the pantries seem to be super popular. It seems like we're doing more and more of them in each camp. And then you have storage beneath your double stainless steel sink. Like I said, big overhead storage, overhead above your pantries. And then you have your bathroom set up. This one has the matte black glass door on it. Frosted window. Your fan. Medicine cabinet. And then this is where all your switches and everything are for your interior lights. You've got your awning for your electric awning. And this is just an access port. So anyways, that's kind of an overall look at this. This one would be considered our bear's den model. We do a lot of them with bunk beds. Lots of different configurations in this, whether you want a bar or the dinette. This one is 24 feet long. Cabinet color is a Brazil wood. Flooring is a dockside seashell. Wall color is a walnut heights. And I can't remember for sure what the countertop is, so I'm not even gonna attempt to tell you what it is, but turned out super pretty. Customer, they've seen a couple pictures of it and everything. They're super excited, so they'll be coming from Wyoming to pick this up tomorrow. So yeah, anyways, I'd love to hear what you think of this camp, what things you like, if you like the layout, what things maybe you'd change in yours. And as always, if there's something that you would like me to show you more in depth, I'd be happy to do so. So anyways, thanks for watching. Well guys, that wraps up another video. Thanks for your support. It means the world to us. We love building these camps, love showing them off. Especially love it when our customers come out. And a lot of them already know what they're after, what they want. So appreciate you guys watching, sharing, commenting. It really helps us out, spread our product. So we appreciate that. And as part of that, that's why we do our spring giveaway, is to give back to our awesome customers. So be sure to check the description, see how you can get entered to win some free gear. Seems like we got some rugs, camping rugs, chairs, barbecue, all sorts of different things. So be sure to get entered, and always, if you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll catch you on the next one.